Yo, 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 yo. This your brother. The knowledge keeper. Look at this dumb motherfucker down here. I don't know what made him or her do that dumb ass shit. But they ain't got their motherfucking car all fucked up. There's two cars behind there actually. So it was two dumb motherfuckers. You know. Just stupid. Yeah. For those in the Detroit area, do not try to ride through the flood. Your car will shut down. And for you dudes who think you got these big trucks out here, don't test these waters. You see what happened? That look like a van. Actually, that's a van. Yeah. Fucked up. Look at nature. Nice little trees. There's a lot of deers around here. A lot of motherfucking deers. This your brother Knowledge Keeper. I'm out. Watch out for these dumbass floods. Get your car fucked up. See if I catch me a deer out here. Watch out for road rage.